This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Buds 2 Pro and case are charged and the laptop's Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, open the charging case and press and hold both earbud touchpads until the LED flashes or you hear a pairing prompt. This forces pairing mode so the laptop can see them. Make sure airplane mode is off on your laptop. If nearby devices list fills up, clear old unused devices to simplify discovery and speed up the next step. Now move to the laptop, open Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device, then pick Bluetooth. When the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro appears in the list, click it to pair. You'll see a confirmation request, accept it and allow audio and microphone permissions so both media and calls work. Once paired, check the device shows as connected. If you don't see them, refresh the list, toggle Bluetooth off and back on, and retry. Make sure the earbuds stayed in pairing mode while you completed this step. Finish by selecting the Buds 2 Pro as both the default audio output and input in sound settings so media and mic route correctly. Play a short audio clip and make a quick test call to confirm latency and mic levels. Adjust volume or noise controls if needed. If audio fails, unpair and repair, restart the laptop, or update Bluetooth drivers. One key troubleshooting tip. Reset the earbuds by placing them in the case and following the factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.